This is later in the evening, bedtime, and it's dark, and that's a tree branch in the backyard that I was at, and now we're going to pan around. I know you really can't see much. This is the backyard. That's the big tree. These are all the little trees, and they're all down in the yard. And there's just an utterly continual sound of booming and cracking in the woods. And we're panning around, and like I said, it's virtually impossible to see much. These are all the backyard trees. And that one's getting ready to break too. We're upstairs looking out the bedroom window, and it's sleeting and raining and snowing at the same time. There's a slight wind blowing. I don't know if you can hear that deep in the forest. You probably heard that one. You can hear the hail bouncing off my camera. Probably heard that one. That sounds like a big one. I lost your light, man. But as you can see, there's the porch. I know this is a little boring. This is very exciting from up here.
Look at it. It's snowing.
It's now starting to snow much harder. It was really, really raining about 20 minutes ago. I mean, just everywhere. Where are you going? Back to go. That branch. We'll be going in the morning. Forest is quiet now. God, can you hear that?
Oh.
That's a big one. Oh, I hope it didn't hit my tree. It's getting foggier too.
Hey.
What now?